Chengdu, Usingwin Electronics Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of digital photo frame, industrial table PC, touchscreen monitor, and multifunctional self-service all-in-one kiosk. We are located in Chengdu City, Sichuan Province, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. And we also have our own research and development team. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ROS and CE certificates, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, Western Europe, Northern Europe, Southeast Asia, Mid-East, and Eastern Asia. We welcome OEM and ODM orders, and we also support the sample order. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We aim to grow together with our partners, and our long-term goal is to create more value for our customers. Customer-oriented and credit-based are our company faith. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and to create a bright future with us together.